Hi, here is the Canon Autoboy 3 overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment using one 2CR5 battery, which is look like this. Yep. Then we just put into it. Okay, make sure that it's fit like this. And next step, lock it. And to open or close the battery compartment, we need use a small screwdriver lah. Yeah, because here got some screw, you need to lock it. Well, I wouldn't recommend you lock very tight, because sometimes if you want to open it, it will be loose or something lah here. And if you lock very tight, the plastic at here will break also. Okay, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover will be like this. Then we put the film in, and put the film tip to here. Actually here got the orange side showing you the film tip position lah. So you just put until here, then make sure that your film is flat like this, and then it's okay ready. We just close it, it will auto lock. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that we can start shooting right now. By clicking this button, it will on it. Then here is the shutter button, the red color one. Then we just half press and shoot it. We look into the viewfinder. At the center point of the viewfinder got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. When you half press, yeah, you see at the bottom part there got a green color light. The green color light, if it doesn't blink, it light up, means that it's focused already. And if the left side have a red color, wait, I try to show you. Yeah, the red side, you see got a red color. It's a flash sign, which means that the current environment is too dark, then it will trigger the flash. So all you need is just like half press it. Yeah, half press it. Then here is the timer. Also same. You aim, then you just click the timer. It will start counting already. It's like around 10 seconds like that. Okay. Then overall it's like this. And here, the back here is the date function, is where is the date imprinting function lah. If you don't want it, you can just click. This one is like changing the format. If you don't want, you just put like off, so it won't print the date inside your outcome. But if you want, then you can adjust it by yourself lah. Wow, it doesn't, if I'm not wrong, the year is not until 2024 lah. It's like 2019 only. Okay, yeah, it's until 2024. Then this one maybe it's month or something. We try it. Yeah, it's month. Then the date, and you change it. Yeah, whatever format you want, like the day, month, year, or the year, month, day. Yeah. Then this one is the day and the time. And if you don't want to use it, then you just close it like this. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using. And also the bottom part here got the off flash function, where you need to click it and press the shutter together to off the flash. It will off the flash lah. If not, it will fully auto. Then overall it's like this. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.